Now we are going to read a book. This book is called Pam. Let's start by reading the words that will be in this book. Let's sound them out together. Pam, san, hat, bag. Let's get started. Pam, hat, bag, san. Now we're gonna read the book together. Pam, hat, bag, san. Now go read it a few more times. Great job! You can read.